Hey guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Christmas, and today we've got another vlog. We will be going to Yorkdale Mall in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, where they have a Kitkat Chocolatory. It's basically like a Kitkat store, like it's a big Kitkat store, and they have like bare chocolates, but like obviously they're all Kitkat chocolates, but different kinds, which you probably would not get in a normal store or a normal convenience store. So if you guys know me, you know that I love chocolate and I'm always down to try some new type of chocolate. So I have to go there and take a look at what they got. I think you can make some customized Kitkat chocolates. I'm not sure, I've never been there. I haven't really read much about it. So I'm going in like completely new, I have no idea. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take you guys with me and let's get right into it. But first, let me show you how much snow it is out here. Hi guys, so I am finally home and I wanted to record my reaction of the chocolates over there in the store, but there were so many people and they were staring at me like I was an alien or something holding a camera, so I did not feel comfortable shooting there. So I instead brought the chocolates home to just show you guys. So I'm gonna open them right now and I'm gonna review them and I want to taste them because I have never had these chocolates before. So first of all, they had three options there at the store. The first option was that you can pick up the chocolates which are already made. They're still different kind of Kit Kats, but you can pick it up from there, which are already made, and just buy them right away and go home and that's it. The second option was that you can actually pick out your ingredients. They're like some special ingredients you must have seen in the video already. And you can make your own flavor, and they will take their time. They will take about 1.5 hours to make the chocolate for you, personalized chocolate, and then they'll give you a call or give you a text and you go back and you pick it up. And the third option was you pay $45 for a 45-minute kind of a cooking class where you sit with a chef or the person who makes the chocolates, and then he teaches you how to make them, and then you kind of like make it with him. So you have to book it online, and like it's a session. So unfortunately I did not have that kind of time, so I had to go and just buy the ones which are already made. So I just grabbed like 4 chocolates and that's about it. So let's get right into the chocolates. So here I have 4 types of chocolate. I'm gonna go and review them or kind of like taste them and see how they taste like, and tell you guys if you ever get a Kitkat chocolate around your area, you should buy it or not, or what flavor you should buy. There were a lot of flavors, just so you know. So first one is this black box. It is a mystery flavor, so I don't know what flavor it is. It's just a mystery flavor. I don't even know what's gonna taste like. And you will not be able to pick this up. The chances are hard because there are like so many flavors, random flavors in these black boxes that you could just pick up any one. Okay, so it's a typical Kit Kat, comes in for 4 pieces or whatever. I'm not gonna eat a full piece, I'm just gonna eat a half piece because there are like 4 more to try. I don't wanna be full with this chocolate tonight. So, I don't know, something's wrong with me, or I guess I don't really taste a lot of difference. I do taste that there is a lot of caramel in this chocolate. So I guess that's probably the mystery flavor, adding caramel to Kit Kat. I don't know, that's about it. So the next one is a Kit Kat Gold. Am I so far from me? Yeah, there you go. It says a rich caramelized white chocolate break. I guess that's the ingredients, I guess caramel again. I hope it doesn't taste exactly like that because it cannot be bummed. Oh, okay, this looks cool. It looks like brown, it's like all like caramel flavor. Or white chocolate, I'm not sure which one it is. Okay, I'm gonna try a half piece and see how it is. This one's good, this one's bomb. Wow, this one's like 10 times better than this one. Or I'm a white chocolate fan, I'm not really sure. Okay, so the next chocolate is a birthday cake flavored chocolate. It looks it's in a fancy pack, so that's how it looks like. It's white and has like these sprinklers or whatever in the back. Looks pretty good. I'm not really a birthday cake kind of guy, so I'm getting that vibe from this chocolate. The chocolate itself is not bad, but it tastes a lot like a cake. And I guess that's the point, but I guess I shouldn't have bought that because I'm not really a cake fan, so. But it is what it is. The next chocolate is rosé wine flavored with white chocolate and I think roses on it. Ooh, this one looks crazy. It's again a white chocolate, but it has rose petals on it. We're eating roses now, like rose petals. That's crazy. I'm expecting good things from this chocolate. Oh, I got a piece of rose petal too. Damn, it smells like rosé wine. It tastes like if you would just put some rosé in a Kit Kat, and that's pretty much it. The petals, you don't really feel the petals because they're so small. The wafer is like a lot stronger than the petals itself. Yeah, it's okay. I wouldn't go and buy these two again, that's for sure. So these two are like 5 out of 10. The black one, I would give higher than this just because this is natural flavor, and I think the natural flavor is still better than these 2 flavors I got, which is a Hooray Rosé and Have Your Cake flavor. But this one definitely, the Kit Kat Gold, I'm gonna give it like an 8.5 out of 10. This is definitely one you should try if you ever get your hands on it. And that's about it. Thank you if you made it to the end. Like the video, subscribe, and comment down below what you would like me to do because I'm still making videos for this Christmas. So any suggestions are helpful. Tomorrow will be another video, so watch out for that. Thanks for the support. See you guys later. Peace.